गोंयच्यो दर्यावेळो सांबाळच्यो. पर्यटकांनी गोंयांत येता तेन्ना गोंयची सुंदरकाय जपची. दर्यावेळो नितळ दवरच्यो म्हण जॅकी श्रॉफ आनी अमृता फडणवीस हांच्यांनी इफी रेड कार्पेटा वेळार दिलो संदेश.
In fact, we love Goa from the bottom of our hearts, and we know that with Goanese people have this culture of loving their beaches, keeping them clean. But it's just getting back to our roots once again, reminding ourselves that yes, we need to keep the beaches clean, which we ourselves we do. But you know, Goa lives on tourism. So much is done on the basis of tourism. So we have to see that our tourists also know that. That's our culture, that we need to keep Goa clean. So let's all together keep our Goa clean. We love Goa. It's a paradise on earth. And I thank the Veg Foundation, which is full of my friends. I thank Mahamla Foundation. I thank Jackie ji, Ramo ji, Karan ji, and especially the Goa government, Bhakar sir, for championing this cause and standing by us for taking it ahead for Goa. Thank you.
जो टूरिस्ट भी इधर आता है, इधर उधर प्लास्टिक, इधर उधर बॉटल पी के क्या लगाया है? तो बाबा का राज है क्या? जिधर आता है मजा लेने को आ रहे हैं हम लोग इधर. मन जिधर आता है, तुम्हारा बच्चे का भी सोचो, वो भी इधर आएगा तो उसको भी मजा लेने का. तो इतना वाट लगाएगा तो कभी आएगा. तो उसका not to spoil your beach. Don't come to this point where you have to have these kind of things that you come here to clear the beaches. I mean, come on, guys. It's duty of each and every one. That's also being patriotic by keeping your place clean. स्वच्छ रखो. समझा ना बिड़ू? ये तो बैंड बज जाएगा आगे. समझा बाबा? हाँ बिड़ू. जो बोला सुनने का, कान में डालने का, अंदर रखने का और इम्प्लीमेंट करने का. ताली मार के फेंकने देने का. All my love to you, Bidu. Enjoy yourself and thank you for inviting me, Bangla sir. Madam Fandamiz ji, Remo, my friends out here. Bakar, I know. It's really nice of all the people out here. I hope you spread the message of cleanliness. अपना घर में झाड़ू मारते हैं ना, बाहर नहीं फेंकने का. Garbage can आएगा, उसमें डालने का. Keep a lot of garbage cans around on the beaches. Keep our volunteers. Check them out. Find them. Strongly find them.